Training is an investment, it's not a purchase. You're not buying strength in one session, you're depositing a small stimulus into your body's adaptation system. Essentially, a workout doesn't build you up, it can actually break you down. Recovery is what actually builds you back stronger. During a training session, you're putting stress onto your muscles, and this can cause microscopic damage to these muscle fibers and fatiguing your nervous system. And also, it'll start depleting your energy stores. You may see a temporary drop in your performance as you could be weaker at the end of the session compared to the start. So during the workout itself, your body is actually in a fatigued, broken down state, not a stronger one. Recovery is key. With proper rest, suitable nutrition, and good sleep, your body can start repairing itself, such as rebuilding the damaged muscle fibers, replenishing energy stores, and your nervous system can adapt to handle the same stress better next time. If you get your recovery right, your body doesn't just return to baseline, it can actually overcompensate through adaptations, and we call this supercompensation. That's why, after proper recovery, you can lift a bit more, move better, or feel stronger. You could begin to see meaningful strength gains in the first 4 weeks of strength training, but it can take about 6 to 8 weeks to see changes in muscle size. Here are a few considerations for strength training. Each workout is just a stimulus, not the result. Don't expect instant results after one workout. Focus on consistency rather than perfection. Adaptations can occur through repeated cycles of stress and recovery. Progress depends on accumulation over time, not a single session.